Start with a magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 3 double crochets. Chain 3. Now repeat this until you have total 5 chain spaces. 3 double crochets. Chain 3. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next on, slip stitch into the second stitch, that is the middle stitch, and now in the chain space make 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and 3 more double crochets in the same chain space. One slip stitch in the middle stitch, that is the second double crochet, 1 and 2. Now repeat this in all the chain spaces. 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and 3 more double crochets in the same chain space. One slip stitch in the middle stitch. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first slip stitch. To make the hanging loop, chain 15. And one single crochet in the same stitch and weave off your yarn. You can also use a satin ribbon to make the hanging loop. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.